Hello guys, welcome to another new video. In this video I'm going to show you how to make camcorder camera effect like this on Filmora X. So let's start the video. So open Filmora and import your file. I already imported my file. So drag your video into the timeline. Delete the extra part of video. Now go sample colors and add red color into the upper track. Then double click on this and go compositing. Change blending mode to darken. And export these with name red. Then delete red color and add green color. Then again change blending mode to darken. And export these with name green. Then finally add blue color and change blending mode to darken. Then export these with name blue. Okay, now delete all from the timeline and add 3 exported video. Then add blue color into first track. Then green video into second track. And the red video into third track. Then change all color blending mode to screen. Then you can see our video now look like normal. Then select red color and go transform. And change scale value to 103%. Then you can see here I have 2 texture. I made this on Photoshop. Link given on the description below. Now add this texture into Filmora. Now first add noise texture into upper track. Double click on this and change blending mode to overlay. And set opacity to 8%. Then add blind texture into upper track. Now again change blending mode to overlay. And this time change opacity to 10%. Now go effects and go overlay and go viewfinder. And you can see here are many viewfinder effects. You can use this from here or you can download viewfinder from internet and use this. For tutorial purpose I use this 90s viewfinder. Okay, let's check preview. So as you can see our effect is done. But you can use glow effect for more interesting view. Add glow effect into upper track. Double click on glow effect. Change radius to 2 and alpha to 50. So and you're done. So as you can see our effect is done. So let's export this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like and subscribe to our channel for more cool tutorial and also leave a comment which effect you want on Filmora. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.